Hey, what's up, guys? Life pro tip number 2. This is, I don't know if you know it, but um, do you know where your Windows button is? Then press and hold Control Windows D. Trust me, I'm not trying to make you shut down your computer. Control Windows D and watch what happens. I have a new desktop. Simple as that. To switch back and forth, Control Windows Left and right. To close this new desktop, it's literally a new desktop. Be careful, it will close all the apps in this desktop. Control Windows F4. That's it. Control Windows F4. And there you go. That's it. That's it. Another desktop. So the scenario is, if you have a significant other, your spouse is, you can be, Control Windows D. You have another desktop. You open up YouTube, and you're browsing YouTube, and you hear it come by. You can just go Control Windows D and just type stuff and pretend you're working, and then when she's gone, go back to your game. I don't know. You may like it. You may use it, but I thought it was pretty cool. And I don't know if a lot of people use it. So that's it. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. And yeah, that's it. Let me know.